promise that's just a game, you know. We both can play. For tonight, I'm yours. So deny the truth, or stay behind closed doors. 'Cause all I wanna do is lie with.
Alright, babe, so I am dressed. I made up my bed. I just got out the shower. I'm about to do some skincare and put on some makeup. My camera about to die, so I'm going to let it charge and I'm gonna pick up the camera, or I'm gonna record on my phone. This camera has pros and cons, and the con for this camera is I just need to get more batteries, so when this camera die, I can just switch a room. But that really sums up my morning, y'all. My hair, I need to really take my hair down, yeah, and make me some tea and stuff. So if I forget to pick up the camera, I'm sorry. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, but I'm gonna pick up the camera, okay? I just need to charge it. I need to clean off my vanity and stuff. And then I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna put this sweater on because it is cold outside and I got some errands to make. So we're gonna put this on. But y'all see the body? Do y'all, wait, do y'all see the body? Do y'all see the body? No, I'm just playing about, yeah. I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna do a little light makeup.
For days, booty going up, down. I ain't got no problem spending all of my money. Tryna see what's up now. I can do this all day like it ain't nothing. Black car, party in the backyard. Shawty got the black bra showing. Tatted up, ass fat enough. She a bad bitch and she already know it. Yeah, she know it. Yeah, she know it. She a bad